child, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, we introduce Robin, who is about ready to do her impression of Los Angeles' own Melina. All right, guys, come on over here. Come on over here. Come on over here, guys. Christian, we've seen them all. We've seen enough. So here we go. What's going to happen now is fans, guys, listen up, please. We don't want you to boo, okay? Because booing doesn't count. Our guy in the sound booth, Ralph,